Hello and welcome to a Newtek tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove the password in a Windows account. While this is the basis for the video, using this method allows access to administrator command prompt without logging in to a Windows account, which could be useful for other subjects. Let's begin. First you'll need a copy of a Windows bootable disk. Put this on a computer and make sure it works. Now, reboot and boot to this disk. As a note, you'll need to have at least the version of Windows that you're using in order to do this, or the version higher. For example, you can't use a Windows 7 disk to break an 8 password, but you can do the opposite. Once it's started up, you'll want to click Repair Your Computer. This will open up the troubleshooting options. It'll search for an operating system on the Windows partition on 7, but on 8 it simply jumps right in. Now you want to go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Command Prompt. This will allow you to access the computer. The video got a little blurry at this point, but regardless, directions will be below so you can read them. What you'll want to do is type in bcdedit. This will show the boot configuration. However, this may not work on some computers and you'll have to look for a partition housing Windows manually. Type in C:, it'll usually be on here. If not, try D:, or X:. Do not type CD and then a partition name, that won't work. Once you're inside of the correct partition comes the tricky part. Type CD Windows/System32 to enter into the system files. Following this, you want to back up your sticky keys executive so you don't lose it. Type copy sethc.exe C:, replacing C: with whatever drive letter you're inside of. Now you want to write command prompt over the sticky keys. Simply type copy command.exe sethc.exe -y. This will do so without asking for confirmation. Now you're done, please reboot again and do not boot to the start disk. Allow it to go to the login screen. Now that you're at the login screen, hit the shift key 5 times as you would do to activate sticky keys. Give it a moment and command prompt should pop up. If not, try hitting it again. The rest is easy. Simply type control user passwords 2, make sure to include the number 2, and a GUI should pop up. This has a bunch of controls for messing about with accounts. To highlight a few, you can add an account, click on an existing account, create a new account, and hit change password. There are some advanced options which you can mess about with your leisure. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any further questions, Google's your best friend.